In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add profile picture in Zoom. Your profile picture appears whenever your camera is off, so it's a simple way to look professional and be recognizable in meetings. Let's walk through it together from the Zoom website so you can update it in just a minute. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Zoom homepage. Sign into your account if you aren't already. Once you're in, look toward the top right corner of the page for your profile icon. This might be a small circle with your initials or a placeholder image. Click that icon to open your profile area. Here, find and select the option labeled Change Profile Picture. Depending on your layout, you might be taken to your profile page or see a small pop-up. Either way, look for the Change or Edit button next to your avatar and click it. A window will appear with a button to choose files. Click Choose Files to open your computer's file picker. Navigate to the folder where your photo is stored. For best results, pick a clear, well-lit head and shoulders photo, ideally with your face centered. A square image works great, and common formats like JPG or PNG are perfect. In the file picker, choose the image you want to share as your profile picture. Select the photo you prefer, then click Open. You'll return to Zoom, and in most cases, you'll see a preview. If a cropping tool appears, drag the image to center your face and adjust the zoom so it looks balanced. This preview helps you confirm how it will display across meetings and contacts. When you're happy with how it looks, click Save. Give it a moment to update. Your new profile picture will now show up on your Zoom profile and during meetings when your video is turned off. If you don't see it right away in a meeting, try turning your camera off and back on, or refresh your browser tab. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Choose a neutral background and avoid busy patterns so your face stands out. If you're using a photo taken with a phone, make sure it's not too dark or heavily filtered. And if you don't see the Change Profile Picture option, your organization may have restrictions in place. In that case, check your account settings or contact your admin. That's it. Your Zoom profile picture is set. Thanks for watching and enjoy your next meeting with a polished, consistent look.